First Alert Weather with meteorologist Zack.
Since we're now scooting right on into 2016, I thought I would take a look back and show you some of the highlights of 2015. And this first is our precipitation, and this is every month and how it went. And notice how throughout the year it was either very wet or very dry. Notice as we got into spring, one of the wettest Aprils we've ever seen, actually the fourth wettest April we've ever seen on record. But then during the summer months, we sort of saw a decline in that. Only an inch of rain in July, which is a good 4.5 inches below normal. So you see how it went up and down, and that's what makes the nice little bar in the middle, which is our normal for, say, the entire year. Now, as far as temperatures, it was very one-sided. Look at this. Started the year very cold, but what happened? Well, the spring came along, and then look at all of these bars. These are all above normal temperatures. And then at the end of the year, there's that 4 degrees above normal in say November, 6 degrees above normal in December. It was the 6th warmest year, and we started keeping records back in 1895. So that goes to show you, yes, it was a very warm year. All of those bars on the warm side of the norm. Look outside, the sun is out, the blue skies are there. Boy, it's nice to see that sun. It's been a long time coming since we've seen sun, but hopefully we can continue this trend, and we will at least for a day. Temperatures have responded. We've bumped those highs back into the upper 50s. 57 currently in Lake Charles. There's a lot of 57s on the board still. Oakdale at 57. DeRidder coming in at 57. So if you're in the sun, you have a light jacket, and temperatures are in the upper 50s, can't ask for better weather in January because that is very nice, very comfortable out there. And look what happens tonight, though. Not so comfortable. It's going to be very cold. Once we get rid of the clouds, there goes our blanket, and then our temperatures crash during the overnight hours. I'm saying protect the plants, the pets, and the people, because look at these temperatures. Very close to a light freeze. Oakdale probably about 34 degrees first thing tomorrow morning. Ragley 35. Now, I think frost is not going to be an issue because we're going to have just enough wind to keep frost from developing, but I would still protect those plants because if it's not tonight, it's going to be tomorrow night that you're going to have to worry about. Even along I-10 and Lafayette, 37 is what I'm calling for that overnight low. 36 in Eunice, much of the same right around Lake Charles. 38 probably in the heart of Lake Charles. Outlying areas about 37. Could have a 36 places like Vinton. Again, protect the plants, the pets, and the people. Do it tonight because what's going to happen, well, tomorrow night it's going to be the same story, if not colder. So that's why I'm saying do it tonight so you don't have to worry about it for your day and your Monday. Lots of sunshine expected for Monday. Even after the cold start, highs are going to get into the upper 50s, probably about 55, 56 degrees. And then tomorrow night we get that high pressure settling in just enough that I think we'll probably deal with frost area-wide come Tuesday morning. But then we start a warming trend, and eventually the clouds are going to come back. So the only sunshine this week might very well be on your Monday, and then there's that return of the clouds late Tuesday, and then the rain chances move back in Wednesday and Thursday, but the warming trend begins at that point as well, back to 71 by Friday, but don't get used to it because I think next week, the following week, probably going to get very cold around these parts. That's something we'll be watching over the coming week.
I think that's a fair trade-off, though. We get the sun, even though it's cold.
Start the week sunny, and then we're going to slowly warm up when we get the clouds back.
That's all right.